Hello student, chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. We were doing problems of exercise 2.2 textbooks. Up to 7 we have completed. Now we'll do problem number 8. Now see the question here. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing number multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they added up to 74. Find this number. Okay. So we have to assume that. What we have to assume? We have to assume let 3 consecutive integer be, let 3 consecutive integer be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. Then according to the question, what it is given, they are multiplied by 2. Then next is 3 and the third one is 4 respectively. Their sum is 74. So equation form 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 x plus 2 is equal 74. Okay, now we have to solve it. So 2x plus this 3 into here, 3x plus 3, then 4x plus 4 to the 8 is equal 74. This x term plus 4 and 3 7, 7 into 9x, 8, 9, 10, 11 is equal 74. Okay, 9x is equal 74, this here minus 11, 9x is equal 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 1 6. Okay, x is equal 63 by 9, x is equal 7, 9 7s are 63. So our first consecutive number is x. First consecutive number is x. X means 7. Second is x plus 1 means 7 plus 1 means 8. And our third consecutive number is x plus 2 means 7 plus 2. So our answer is 9. So our three consecutive number is 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now we'll see the ninth number problem. The age of Rahul and Haron are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. What are their present age? So we have to assume that let common ratio be x. Rahul and Haron ratio age will be 5x and 7x. Okay. 4 years later, their age will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Okay. 4 years later, their age will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Their sum is 56. Okay. Now equation form 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal 56. Now 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4 is equal 56. 7 and 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12x plus 8 is equal 56. So 12x is equal 56 minus 8. 12x is equal 56 minus 8, 48. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Now x is equal 48 upon 12. X is equal 12 foza. 12 foza. Okay. Now we got the x value. What is Rahul age? Present Rahul age 5x means 5 multiplied by 4 means 20 years, and Heron age 7x means 7 multiplied by 4, 7 3s are 20 and 7 4s are 28 years. Okay. Now we'll see the 10th number. The number of boys and girls in a class in the ratio 7:5, the number of boys are more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Okay. The number of boys and girls are in ratio 7:5, and the number of boys are more than the number of girls. So what are their what are the total class strength? You are told to find out the total class strength. So we have to think that let common ratio be x. Number of boys are 7x and number of girls 5x. Okay. Now according to question, what it is told that number of boys are more than the number of girls. Number of boys are 8 more than number of girls. So it will be 5x plus 8. So our equation form, what we have to take now, your total answers are not given, only alpha variables are there. Number of boys 7x, number of girls 5x. And according to the question, what it is told that number of boys are 8 more than the number of girls means 5x plus 8. Means this 7x and 5x values are same. So we have to take that equation. 7x is equal 5x plus 8. Then 7 and this minus 5x is equal 8. 5, 2x is equal 8. X is equal 8 by 2. X is equal 4. Okay, we have got the x value. Now we have to find out number of boys. So number of boys are how much? Number of boys are 7x. So 7 multiplied by 4. And number of girls are how much? 5x. Means 5 multiplied by 4. So 7 4s are 7 3s are 20 and 7 4s are 28 and 5 4s are 20. This 28 boys and 20 girls. Now we want total strength. What we want? Total strength. है ना? Total student. We want total student. So total student means this we have to add 28 plus 20. So 48 student. Okay. Now see the 11th number question. Bangchung's father is 26 years younger than Bangchung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bangchung's. Now here Bangchung is there, Bangchung's father is there and Bangchung's grandfather is there. Okay. And you are told to find out their percentage. So we have to assume that. What we have to assume? We have to assume that let Bangchung's father be x here. Okay. Now we'll solve it. 11th number textbook problem. So we have to solve it. Let Bangchung's father age be x. And what it is told? And it is told that Bangchun's father is 26 years younger than Bangchun's grandfather and 29 older than Bangchun's. The Bangchun's the equation will be Bangchun's age. Bangchun's age will be x plus 26 and grandfather age will be x minus 29. Okay, x minus 29. Let Bangchun's father age be x. Bangchun's age will be x plus 26 and Bangchun's grandfather will be x minus 29. Okay, again I am reading the question. See, Bangchun's father is 26 years younger than Bangchun's grandfather and 29 older than Bangchun. The sum of the age of the three is 135 years and you are told to find out the present age, means each age. Okay, so we'll take Bangchun's father age will be x. And now Bangchun's father is 26 years younger than Bangchun's grandfather. Bangchun's grandfather is younger than Bangchun's father is younger than 26 from grandfather and 29 older than Bangchun's. Okay, and 29 older than Bangchun's. See, let Bangchun's father age will be x and Bangchun's here will come grandfather. Okay, here will come. So we have to read the problem properly. Bangchun's grandfather age will be x plus 26 and here it will come Bangchun's age. Here will come Bangchun's age will be x minus 29. So their total sum is 135 years. Now we have to plus it, x plus 26 and x minus 29 is equal 135. 1, 2, 3. 3x minus 3, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 135. 3x is equal 135 plus 3. 3x is equal 138. X is equal 138 upon 3. X is equal 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. X is equal 46. Now x means who? Bangchun's father. Age is 46 years. Now we want Bangchun's grandfather. Age is x plus 26 means 46 plus 26 means 6 and 6 9, 6 and 6 12, 4 2 6 and 72 years. And Bangchun's age is x minus 29. Now x means 46 minus 29. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7 and 4 minus 2, 1. 17 years. Okay, now see the 12th number. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? What it is given? 15 years from Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the present age? So we have to assume that let Ravi's present age be x. And what it is given? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times time his present age. Okay, now Ravi's present age is x plus 15 is equal, x plus 15 is equal 4x. Okay, 4x is equal x plus 15. So 4x minus x is equal 15. 4 minus 3x is equal 15. X is equal 15 upon 3. X is equal 5. So Ravi's present age is 5 years. Okay, now see the 13th number. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and added 2 upon 3 to the number, we get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? Okay, so we have to make the equation. So we have to take, let the number be x and multiply 5 upon 2 to it, means here. Okay, and add it to the result of product means here. So 5 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3. Add 2 upon 3 to the result of the product, means 5 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3. We get minus 7 upon 12. Okay, now equation form 5x upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 is equal minus 7 upon 12. So remove the LCM. LCM is 12. So multiply by here 6 and multiply by here 4. So 6 5s are 30x plus 4 2s are 8 is equal minus 7. So 30x is equal minus 7 minus x. So 30x is equal minus 15. X is equal minus 15 upon 30. X is equal minus 1 upon 2. Thank you.